Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What I have here today is, well, Meraki. My CISCO Meraki AP come in today. Ta-da! The MR12. Cloud-based management. Now, this is the unboxing. I haven't even seen it yet, so you guys are right there with me. Alright, inside we have package contents, tells you what's all inside. The MR12, which is their economy version. I think they retail for about $3.99 for this little thing. Yeah. Alright. Also embedded in this thing comes their cloud management software, $300. Got all my mounting brackets here. And this, my friend, is the access point. Got my uplink and my power over Ethernet link with the power port. I think it's got a gigabit Ethernet port for your uplink. And here's my mounting bracket. Comes in the box also, ready to go. And next, I will give you guys first look at the live Meraki Management AP software. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.